for example, I told my ChatGPT that it needs to act as a top 0.01% strategic thinker, and what that actually means, and that is called genius mode, and it needs to stay in genius mode now until I tell it not to be in genius mode anymore. It's just the way that I told it to operate. So I'm like, wow, I can have ChatGPT operate as a genius if I wanted to. So my answers in genius mode, if I was to ask it a marketing question, it would come out with, here's what you do, phase 1, phase 2, here's how you really da da da. But if I asked it before that, it would just give me an answer. So it's like understanding how to use AI to have an unfair advantage. So I'm like professor mode, 1% professor who backs up everything with evidence and sources, and then the responses come back just at a next level. And so ChatGPT will actually take on these modes and keep it on. It says genius mode is activated. And I'm like, yes. There is no benefit to not having a genius
so
mode.
like everybody should have their ChatGPT in genius.
So this professor wants ChatGPT to always talk as if it was a top-level professor, backing up everything with sources and data. So it depends on who you are and what you want out of it. Makes me feel like the advantage is unreal, and that's exciting.
Because something you mentioned on the last podcast that we like stuck with was whenever you want chat to do something, say that it's it has experience of 20 years of doing that thing that you need it to do.
Right.
And it's crazy because it actually works really well.